Solve 36x cube minus 37x plus 14 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 36x cube in place of minus 37x. Now I write minus 16x minus 21x plus 14 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 4x. From this 4x out you get 9x square, minus from this 4x out you get 4. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 7. So here we get 3x and here we get minus 2 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will simplify it here. That is 9x square minus 4 equal to 9 is 3 square x square minus in place of 4 now I write 2 square. 3 square x square is nothing but 3x whole square minus 2 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 3x, in place of b 2. So we get 3x minus 2 times 3x plus 2. Now in place of this quadratic we write this over here. So this equation becomes 4x, 3x minus 2, 3x plus 2. This no change equal to 0. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is 4x times 3x plus 2. And here we are left with minus 7 equal to 0. Now 3x minus 2. Now you open up the brackets. You get 12x square plus 8x minus 7 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic. I will factorize the quadratic here. That is 12x square plus 8x minus 7. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 8x. In place of plus 8x, now I write plus 14x minus 6x minus 7. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 2x. From this 2x out you get 6x plus from this 2x out you get 7. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 6x gone inside, so outside we get minus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 6x plus 7 common. So here we have 2x and here minus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 3x minus 2, 6x plus 7, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. More, here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 3x minus 2 equal to 0, 6x plus 7 equal to 0, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove minus 2, so add 2. You get 3x equal to 2. Now I should remove 3, so divide by 3. You get x equal to 2 by 3. Now here, I should remove plus 7, so subtract 7. You get 6x equal to minus 7. Now I should remove 6, so divide by 6. You get x equal to minus 7 by 6. Now here, I should remove minus 1, so add 1. You get 2x equal to 1. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. We get x equal to 1 by 2. So the x values that we got are 2 by 3, minus 7 by 6 and 1 by 2. This is our answer.